Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can create Woodforest mobile bank account. For this you have to create a Woodforest mobile bank account first. So how you can do it easily? For this, first open your browser and search for Woodforest online bank online account. Now click on the first result. What you have to do here, click on login, and you will see you have to put your username and password, and if you don't have an account, just you will see an option create account under this section. Then fill the form with your information, and then follow the prompts to create an account, and that's it. That's how you can create a Woodforest mobile account very easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips.